Hey y'all, how you doing? How's your day going? John Broyles, the Cache and Cub Master here, and this is not one of my favorite areas to find a cache, but it's a wonderful little cache just outside of the house over in Pekin, and we're at ground zero already. And a nice container, but the special thing about this is it's a field puzzle. A field puzzle, meaning you have to go through a few extra steps to open this up. Now this looks like a particular type of cache I've found before, which I have to remember how to do it, and I'm putting it down here so I'm not giving anything away. But according to the cache description, first thing you have to do is locate the key. Once you find the golden key, then you have to find the keyhole. And it's been a while since I've had to do one of these. Been a long time since I've done one of these. And with all these gnats here, trying not to spoil it for y'all. It's a great little cache, in great shape. I just have to figure out, oh yeah, that's right. Once you locate the key, you have to find the keyhole. Once you find the keyhole, you open it up, and there would be a log. And I haven't found this one yet. Oh, okay. So guess what? We're going to add to the button collection in here. Man, these gnats are bad today. Couple beautiful DNF magazine buttons going in here. And we'll get the log, we'll stamp it, we'll swat a few more gnats, stamp it as log it as found, and go on our merry way. There we go. Oh, and we'll put the log back, put everything back where we found it, and there you go. The golden puzzle box. If I remember right, it's also called a Turkish puzzle box. Fun little cache. So if you happen to like what you see, wondered how I got the box open without spoiling it for y'all, hit that like button. If you happen to think I'm ugly and my boss dresses me funny, hit that dislike button. And as always, Hulk, smash on that subscribe button, then ding that little bell right next to it so you never miss a single thing that I pull out of my hat. I'm John Broyles, the Cache and Cub Master. It's been another edition of DNF Magazine. I'm going to put this away, and we'll see you on the trails.